Okay. So, doctor, differentiating between the Alzheimer and dementia, two things are there. But dementia is not a simple term. Is we call it umbrella term, doctor. Okay, because it is a clinical syndrome of progressing the cognitive decline severe enough to interfere with daily functioning and independence. Okay, this patient might come or proxy might come because of some concerns of independence and functioning, daily functioning. They are not doing properly. Okay, so it will be involving one or two domains. Like say, maybe patient will be having memory problem with language and vasoceptional skills and executive functions and personality or behavioral changes. Okay, this kind of thing having many causes. Uh, which is really common with Alzheimer. Okay, but what is the differential point? That is important again. Main dementia subtypes are there for the differentiation. Okay, again, Alzheimer disease dementia, vascular dementia, dementia with Lewy bodies, Parkinson's disease dementia, and frontotemporal dementia. Now, this is very deep topic, but again, one time case came with Lewy body dementia. Okay, dementia with Lewy bodies. Okay, that case I remember that one time came. Okay, so again, remember, all Alzheimer dementia is not a dementia, but not all dementia is Alzheimer. Dr. Asbar, you getting my point?
Please repeat it.
Doctor, all Alzheimer's dementia is a dementia. Okay, but not all dementia is Alzheimer.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
You got my point. Okay, so if you want little bit more, uh, I can give you. In dementia, doctor, mostly as I told you, that progressive decline from the previous level of functioning. Okay, and patient will be having impairment at least one cognitive domain, like say memory, language, or visuoceptal, or visuospatial and executive, like say some other things that he cannot perform, and social cognition. He or she might be having impact on social and daily activities and independence, but the patient will be having non-cognitive features. Okay, but in typical Alzheimer pattern, doctor, patient will be having early features. Okay, patient will be having prominent episodic memory loss, repeating the questions, misplacing the items, and forgetting recent conversations or appointments. Okay, he will be having disorientation in the time, then the place, subtle word finding difficulty, and progression. Here, you'll be telling about some clock or something is there. We have to talk. They will be showing up, and you have to patient will be telling about the clock or something like this, and spread to involve um, language, visual spatial skills, and executive function. Now, how to differentiate between doctor different dementia? I will give you that full chart because we are running short of time. I have one more session after 10 to 15 minutes, and by meantime, I'll be taking. So, GP style doctor explanation I'll be sharing with you guys. Is it okay for you guys?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. Sorry, doctor, because today I took you guys for longer session. Maybe you guys are tired also. I don't know.